Hello guys, welcome to Junior Fixout. In our previous tutorials, we did CRUD operations in C# with database as a backend. In this tutorial, we're going to add search functionality to our program, so stay tuned. Over here, we're going to bring our items a little bit down. Alright, then we bring this one alone a bit down. Then let's duplicate this. Sorry, we bring it here, then we see this. We're going to duplicate this one as well. Alright, that's it. Yes. Alright, so this is it. Let's change the name of this, and let's change the background as well. No, this one no. Like I said, you can go ahead and modify it however you want. Let's change the cursor to pointer or arrow. Alright, so sorry, let's change the name and the text as well. Let's say search. Let's see, search BTN. Then over here you see search text. Alright, so let's go to the code. So we're going to say string query is equal to select or from database or from student, where SID or the student ID. In fact, we're going to search by the student ID, so that's it, student ID. Like, yes, we're going to use like. Alright. Then you see the search tests, the test or the values in the search test button or bar. Sorry, let's add this. Yes. Then you see data set. Yes, is equal to new data set, data view, sorry, data view, DV, MySQL, data adapter. Go to adapter. Sorry. Is equal to new MySQL data adapter. Alright. So first we're going to search, or we're going to check if the search button or the search field is not empty. If it's empty, then we're going to return all the values in the database or all the data in the database. If it's not empty, then we're going to search for only those texts that are similar, or the IDs that are similar to those the one that we've provided in the front end. So we're going to say if search test the test is not empty. I'm going to say try. Let's catch this before we forget. Exception next. Let me see. Message box dot show box dot show ex dot message. Sorry. So over here we see my SQL command is equal to new MySQL command. Okay. db.connection. In fact, db.connection is our connection string or our connection in the db class here. This is it. So if you didn't watch that tutorial, you can go ahead and do it. Yeah, so over here then we see adapter dot. So we pass the adapters the connection or the MySQL command to the adapters command. So this is it. Then we fill the adapter with the data set. Let's close our connection. Let me say dv is equal to ds, the data set table, and it's the first table dot default view dot close connection. Student data is this. That's the name of this box. Student data dot data source is equal to data view, the dv. Alright. If it's not empty, or if it is empty, then we say we fetch the data, fetch student. It means if it's empty, it should return all the student in the database. So the fetch student is here. It's a method that we created here. This method returns all the student in the database. So let's go ahead and run our application and see. So this is it. We have our program here. So let's go ahead and search. Yes, it should return all the students. And let's see, I have this. I search for this. Yes, it should give me that student alone. Or let's say 77. Because of that 10, that's the percentage sign that we added there. It should work still. But if you add anything that's not there, there's nothing like that. So you're not going to see anything. So if you clear this, you're going to see all of the students in the database. So that brings us to the end of our tutorial. So if you've learned something, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.